Check 1, 2, check. We are live and direct. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to another episode of Encrypto'd. Yes, sir. I am your host, Cryptic, aka Lord Kryptonium. And as you know, as you probably guessed it, I know you guessed it, we got another banger today. That's right. So pull out your notepads, or whatever you take notes with, or just photographical memory. Doesn't matter. What matters is you do your own research. As always, whatever you see on this platform, we're here to review it together and see if it's worth it. Go over the what, the hows, the whys. But do not forget, always do your research, because your research is the guide to your own investment. But you know Cryptic gotta give it to you with bangers and gems and all what you need to know. So without further ado, let's get right into today's project. Today we have something special, something hot. This one's called Asset Mantle. So we are here on the landing page of the website of Asset Mantle. We're gonna review this project together, go over some essential things, what it is, how it works, and why should you get it during these times. Recently, you guys have been seeing some inflation, I guess is what you would call it, in the whole economic. But with crypto, things are looking better. News is looking great. Technology is advancing, and there's a lot of opportunities for everyone to get involved. So Asset Mantle is doing just that right now, taking advantage of the rise. It's got a lot to offer, so let's get into it. Asset Mantle, redefining digital asset ownership. You can experience the first NFT marketplace with blockchain based identity. Let's check out some of their products. With Asset Mantle's suite of products, they're focused on the NFT ecosystem. It helps you up your game of digital asset ownership. So yes, they got a Mantleplace, which we will visit, a new highly optimized NFT marketplace for Cosmos ecosystem. You know, why don't we just jump into that right now? Why don't we dive into it, what it is? So right here, we're at the Mantleplace. This is where you'll experience the first NFT marketplace with blockchain-based identity. You can explore it. You can sign up immediately. Featured right now, this is what they got going on. Look at all these different creators, asset holders, NFT owners. Some beautiful NFT assets. You can look around, get a feel of the quality and what they got to offer. This is some great stuff. Man, I'd even print some of these right away and just have them all over my background. Jeez, great wallpaper material. This is awesome. You know, this tells us many things. You know, it's not just randoms, but these are actually some talented NFT makers. They got new drops, you know, so they obviously alert us of anything going on. So already we get a feel of the Mantleplace environment, some high top quality NFTs, some high value, and some real creators, you know, not just some kid making some designs and trying to make profit off of it. You can see the talent and the meaning behind these. It's great stuff. So that already gives us quality and value to the Mantleplace platform. Now, you want to get involved, you obviously want to know how it works. You can get started in 5 minutes or less by creating an account, minting NFTs, buy and sell, and engage. 4 simple steps under 5 minutes. You get started. It is coming soon. They're going to have this all laid out properly. But from it, the layout itself, from the interface, it looks flawless. It looks efficient and very quick to get signed up and started. What are some of the differences? You know, why should we choose Mantleplace? Well, they got powerful features to enhance your NFT experience. So how do they do it? With multi-chain access, with negligible minting fees, multiple payment modes, and complete customization. This is what we're talking about. When you trade and deal with NFTs, you want to feel secured. You want to feel like you have access. No fees or stupid fees getting unadded. This is good stuff. Now back to talking about Asset Mantle's products. What else they got is a Mantle Builder. So this is coming soon as well. I think most of these are coming soon. It's a fresh project, but it's a Mantle Builder with a no-code marketplace for NFT Shopifying. As well as this, we'll dive into it. We'll look at this later, but this is great stuff to read about. How can you build your own Mantle marketplace? Awesome. Now, you got your Mantle wallet, of course. It's a non-custodial blockchain wallet for Asset Mantle chain. And you got the Mantle Explorer, a detailed blockchain explorer for the Asset Mantle chain. This is what we're talking about. They got us mantled on properly. So like I said, the way we do our rundowns here, we go about what it is, how it works, and why. We want to know why. If there's no incentive, there's no opportunities, nothing that makes it different from the rest, then why should we even bother? Like I'm comfortable investing in other projects, so what is it that makes Asset Mantle stand out? Well, first off, Asset Mantle's foundation is built using the best in-class core blockchain principles, and it's optimized for the next evolution of NFT economy. All right, Asset Mentor, I'm gonna switch the lighting on to blue. I should have done this before recording, but it's all good. Switching at the mood midway. I might go back to red later. Who knows how I'm feeling? I just like the cool tone right now. We're getting cool with it because we're talking about why should we choose Asset Mantle? Well, let me tell you something. Asset Mantle is layer 1 for interoperable metaverse games and more. Okay, they're decentralized identities on the blockchain. They got no code custom NFT storefront for interchain NFTs like Shopify on NFTs. There's really barely any fees, like almost zero fees. Asset Mantle has a highly economical network, providing one of the lowest fees compared to any popular network of around $0.01 per transactions. They don't try to profit too much off of their community, their clients, their loyal customers, the community for the win. This is how you can see it with low fees. That's one of the ways. And I'm sure they have other reasons. They got Inter NFTs that allows for metadata to be stored on chain itself instead of off chain. And that allows metaverse games and enterprises to operationalize on the metadata. So metadata. Why do I keep mucking up that word? Metadata. There, we're getting it. Furthermore, with on data inter NFT metadata storage format, all the NFTs built using inter NFTs are interoperable, composable, and decomposable. So that's one of the greatest things about this stuff. They got DIDs, decentralized identities on the blockchains, contribution by developers of World Wide Web Consortium, the W3C. Their team did first NFT transactions in the Cosmos in 2020. They got Inter NFT research and development funded by the Interchain Foundation. So a lot of good looks from Asset Mantle. Went over a lot of things, not just what's on the screen, but again, Asset Mantle is a great project offering optimized for NFTs, Cosmos ecosystem, extremely low fees, fast order fulfillments, it's completely secured, and it has future interoperabilities, so you know what's popping, you know what's hot with Asset Mantle. Would you choose it? Is this convincing? I personally support it. Let me know in the comments. Let's keep diving in deeper into this awesome project, Asset Mantle, distributed NFT economy. That's what they do. I'll emphasize it again. Like we just mentioned, when you use Asset Mantle, there's some advantages. You get multi-chain access where you can trade NFTs on other chains or show them off across Metaverse. There's a highly economical ROI which leverages a rich NFT economy on an IBC-enabled Cosmos ecosystem at a negligible cost. There's multiple payment modes. Experience Asset Mantle with fiat currency, coins, or stable coins. No code customization engine. So when you experience no code NFT marketplaces creation with plug and play NFT modules, you know you're having a good time. That's what it is here. Of course, one of the best parts about a project is visually seeing and perhaps potentially meeting the team behind the venture. So right here we get a little sense of transparency and reliability because we can see directly and get in touch with them on multiple platforms. We got the founder, the co-founders, we got the core team from the product and business side. The team keeps growing, as you can see. If you read further into them and get connected, you'll easily tell this is a team of intellectuals, a great community. Well, we love to see it. Take a look for yourself and get in touch with them. Do not hesitate to get in touch. Beautiful community. And since we're talking about that, I will have all their social media platforms linked in the description box below, and as well as this awesome Linktree link they've provided us where you can get to every little tab here to do your own research or to get involved directly. So feel free to do so. And like I said, connect on their Twitter, their Instagram. Like I said, awesome community. Get in touch with them and don't miss your chances of any opportunities. Where have they been featured, you may ask, because we know how important it is today to see who's getting involved with a new project or with simply any project that's invested and looking to do more. We're seeing clear clear familiar faces. Yahoo.finance. I don't know why I said fine dot, but anyways, that's what's up. Yahoo Finance, Concordia, Digital Journal, Investing.com, Tech Billion. What is good? Tech Bull. Yun. So this is good looks from here. And just so you know, Tokenomics was a previous contributor to Mantle's Inter NFT standard. Yeah. So guys, next up I want to hover over on staking with Restake. You want to learn how to stake for high APR. So for the highest APR, you can automatically restake rewards right here on Restake. And what I'm going to do is add this awesome tutorial. You'll want to watch this. It's a very quick 5-minute video. I'll add in this description box below if you want to learn how to restake. But this is awesome for restaking. As you can see right here to the furthest right, look how high this APR is. Look how amazing Mantle statistics are looking right now compared to others. This is great stuff. You go on here, you can save this. Check out all these validators, all eligible for restaking. The frequency is so nice. Guys, check this out and watch the tutorial if you want to learn how to restake. This is great opportunities right here. So what's good about this, guys? Inter NFT that is developed by Mantle, first used by Comdex and SMEs and MEs present in Southeast Asia and the Middle East for legal agreements, negotiations, and document provenance for high seas trades. Yeah, so Comdex will soon begin its cross-border settlement service offering, followed by the launch of its trade finance platforms. That's what's going on. That's what's up, and that's what's good with this. So let's dive into this link tree here with all these awesome links. What are some other cool features? Well, and I'm gonna go in different orders, but the first thing is if you want to buy Mantle. It's a great place to start. You know how to buy Mantle. Download the Cosmos Station wallet, set up your Cosmos Station, buy Cosmos as your base currency, send Cosmos from Binance to your crypto wallet. Very straightforward process. They got all the tutorials here, super simple. Just follow through and you'll be good to go. Right now sitting at an amazing USD price, and why is it amazing? Ask. I know it's looking like it's going down, but you know what happens. It's a great time to invest in something low with such great potential. This Mantle token is looking to boom, so keep your options open and always have a look on this. Now, this is where you buy Mantle. This is how you buy it, okay? A little cool feature they got with Mantle is you can feature your own art on Mantle Instagram. So first thing you're gonna want to do, obviously, well, go follow their Instagram to see how awesome their stuff are. And then you're gonna submit your file with information right here. Pretty fun stuff. Hey yo, so here we went on the website already. What about this airdrop Mantle? What's good with this? Mantle airdrop, total supply at Genesis, 300 million Mantle airdrop of 20%. We're talking $60 million Mantle, okay? You can claim now. Osmosis liquidity providers. You can check this, take a look at this stuff right here. There's a stake drop that was completed, allocation of 9 million Mantles. Coming soon, Mantle reserves for creators, allocation 12 million Mantle. So you have any questions, you want to get in touch, definitely email and join their whitelist. This is great opportunities. They do a lot of airdrops for great causes. Check them out, look into it. Good looks. We love Mantle. Now, we talked a lot about why and how and what, but we also didn't talk about our famous tokenomics. So let's take a look at our tokenomics with Mantle. You know, first thing we want to know is the utility. The Mantle is governance and staking tokens securing the Mantle chain along with the supporting Mantleplace transactions, which can you do with minting, trading, royalties, and fees. Initially, the token will also help boost Strap Genesis creators, liquidity provision, and NFT minting and trading activities through retroactive rewards and airdrops. Some of these are really good things to get into and read about. We're gonna hop into the Genesis supply. How are they allocating their funds to remain sustainable and to drive the funds for the project? Well, they have 5% going to strategic partners, which is always a good option. They got 10% towards the team. That's very generous. What do you call that? Selfless. 20% to Mantle drops. Like we said, that's a pretty big chunk for the drops. And 30% for community treasure, giving back to community. It's always great and Great for us. And foundation, 35%. I'm sure foundation, like we see right here, that includes protocol development and adoption, ecosystem growth, initial token delegation to top tier validators, strategic reserves for platform collaborations, and any additional support to the community pool rewards. Well, we love to see it. We love to see how they split it up and where the funds are going. This assures us their longevity, their sustainability, and their cash flow, of course. Great looks. Took another look at their circulating supply. Again, how is it flowing? You can see it's going to the proper areas, and almost 54% still goes to Mantle drops. Great look. So if you want to go deeper into the tokenomics, you can. We had some great views. You can see that it's properly budgeted and they allocate their funds efficiently, but do not hesitate to read more into the details and see what else you can provide to the rest of us. This is great looks right here on Asset Mantle. You hear it here first on Encrypto'd. Now, moving back on to the link tree, why don't we see their journey? What are they up to? How far have they gone? Roadmap 2022 Asset Mantle, and let me tell you, they're just killing it. So they're going from unearthed to the trances, unlimited, all the way to rarefied. So right now, I think they surpassed enough phases and we're looking at growing a lot. There's a lot of milestones to look forward here. They've completed phase 0. They're in the phase 1 of Trench. And now what we're going to be looking at is Mantle Tokenomics, the V44 upgrade, the Mantleplace version number 2, which we can't wait for, and they're going to be introducing fractional NFTs. You know how that's been very helpful to a lot of people. We love the fractional NFTs. Mantle drop announcement, so the first phase of the token, and then we'll be heading into phase 2, the unlimit. Some great looks just by looking at this. Again, look into it. A lot of milestones to look forward to. This project is going for long. It's going for sustainability, and that's what we love when we invest into a project. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This link tree will be in the description box below. I highly suggest you to go into it. This was a decently long video, but we want to give as much as possible about this awesome project, Asset Mantle. So lastly, guys, I know we're had a mouthful. Do not hesitate to look deeper into it, because I know there's a lot of information provided by Asset Mantle. It's a great project, let me tell you that. They got documents you can visit to basically sum up everything we went through, what it is, what's the Mantleplace, you know, there's different stuff, Asset Mantle and Mantleplace, don't get them confused. Look deeper into the tokenomics. You got your salient features of Asset Mantle, what is the Mantle builder, and a lot of frequently asked questions. Do not hesitate, and then watch this video, it'll be great. Everything you need is right here in the documents. This Asset Mantle looks honestly, looks like it's got a lot of potential. Breaking from phase 0 to phase 1, looking at really good stuff, and I can't wait to see what's next. So I myself will be subscribing to all their social media so I do not miss out, and you should do the same. Now, if you made it this far in the video, you know what that means. Smash that like button for me, show me some love, and not only for me, you'll be showing love to Asset Mantle. So if you like what you see, again, smash that like button. And more importantly, I want to know what you think. I want to know your findings on Asset Mantle, so drop those in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Cryptic, and as always, peace and love.